If you are an affiliate marketer or someone who wants to make affiliate marketing a full-time business, you must have heard of Legendary Marketer and how this education program has been helping hundreds of thousands of people build their online business. And if you're wondering how to become an affiliate marketer for Legendary Marketer, then this video is for you. As by the end of this video, you will understand Legendary Marketer's affiliate program and the value, benefits, and different commissions affiliates receive. And also the secret hack of becoming Legendary Marketer's affiliate instantly. First thing first, if you're new to my video, I'm Joyce Meettoo and I do videos that help people make money online. And if you're someone like me who wants to be their own boss, live a life of financial freedom, and more importantly, time freedom, make sure to subscribe to my channel as I'm consistently creating valuable content that will help you model and deploy my strategies and help you achieve that freedom lifestyle. So without further ado, let's get into the main topic of this video, applying to be an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. There is actually a link in the description of this video. When you click on it, you will land on a page similar to this. This is where you can actually apply to be an affiliate. However, if you want to become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer without purchasing any of their products, then it's not going to be easy. They might not even pay attention to your application, as Legendary Marketer is very picky on who gets to promote their education programs. On applying, you will require to show them that you have a good understanding of affiliate marketing and you have good sources of traffic to generate leads and get yourself sales. But if you don't, then continue watching this video as I will give you details on how to get accepted quickly and how you can earn and learn at the same time with Legendary Marketer. Also, another thing you should know, Legendary Marketer is not available worldwide. And here is the list of countries that Legendary Marketer has excluded. I will make sure to leave the link of the list below as well, so you can actually have a deeper look. Anyways, Legendary Marketer has two tiers of affiliates. You will get the basic affiliates and the pro affiliates. The basic one is free and the pro one has a monthly subscription of $30. Why is that so? Because of the value, training, and benefits given. Since Legendary Marketer's motto is to provide cutting-edge marketing strategies, they actually assist their affiliates, aka partners, with the required interface, data, reports, graphics, and marketing materials, as well as email swipes. So the value being given in the basic and the pro version are the same, but training-wise, it's not. Both in the basic and pro, you will get an intro of what you need to do as an affiliate. So let me actually show you the interface of the affiliate dashboard. So here are the training. So you will get an intro of what you need to do as an affiliate and how you should be compliant, as well as a training to generate you free traffic, which is really amazing, and that's here. Now, pro version, you get access to the training of super affiliates. So let me actually show it to you. Here it is. You get the training of super affiliates. That is the 7, 8, and 9-figure earners and the strategies that you can definitely model and deploy. And now talking about benefits. Well, there are two. There used to be three. And the third one was about traffic in solo ads. However, they discontinued with it, as Legendary Marketer don't want their affiliates to just burn their money. Instead, they focus on evergreen organic traffic, and thus the free training right over here. Okay, so the two benefits for being a pro affiliate is additional stream of income, okay, and the difference in percentage commission. So let me show you what's inside the additional stream of income first. In here, when you refer someone through your link, Legendary Marketer will teach them how to do real business. So your referrals will require to use tools for funnel and page building, such as ClickFunnels. Then there are tools for email marketing, such as Aweber. So if you're a pro affiliate, you get to paste your links in here and in here, okay? And when someone actually get access to the tools that Legendary Marketer refers to them, you will actually get affiliate commissions. And this is one of the ways you can get passive income through Legendary Marketer. And this is one of the ways I actually got affiliates signing up to my ClickFunnels. And now coming to the percentage of affiliate commission, let's go over here. Okay, in Legendary Marketer, there is a variety of education product one can promote as an affiliate. And given the two tiers of affiliates, the basic one gets a commission ranging from 10% to 30%, while the pro one gets a commission ranging from 30 to 60%. Okay, normally if you are in the pro tier as an affiliate, you will receive 60% on subscription-based products, 40% on courses, and 30% on masterminds and coaching. Legendary Marketer also provides awards based on the amount of commissions you have generated as an affiliate. And I want to give you a quick look at the various products that Legendary Marketer has and the different amount of commissions you might receive based on the tier of affiliate you may choose. If you have a quick look here on the table at the Marketers Club, Legendary Marketers Club, that is a monthly subscription. You can see for the pro commission, it's 60%, and the commission is $80. And for basic commission, its commission is $9. So it's basically 30%. If we have a look at courses, so let's take for the $2,500 one. As a pro affiliate, you get 40%, which is $1,000, and as a basic affiliate, you get only $250, which is only 10%. So you see the difference in percentage commissions. If you had a referral of yours buying the high ticket product of $2,500 and you're only at a basic affiliate, it would really suck to get only $250 instead of $1,000. So my advice is you can apply and be a basic affiliate at first, and only when you are getting leads and buyers for the low ticket products that you can then upgrade to pro, so you can enjoy the high percentage commissions. Now, how to get your affiliate application accepted by Legendary Marketer? When you apply, you will be asked if you have purchased and gone through and completed the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Why they ask that is because this challenge makes sure you're armed with the necessary guidance, knowledge, and education an online entrepreneur should have. So my first advice for becoming an affiliate is for you to go through the 15-day challenge and complete it, because you can't promote something you haven't gone through yourself. I have gone through the challenge 3 times already, and all the affiliates have gone through the challenge at least once. So below this video, you will find a link as my #1 recommendation to start an online business. Through this, you will find the bonuses and help I'll be providing to you if you get the 15-day challenge through me. You may also check this video out if you want to know more about the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Next, in your application, they will ask you if you're a member of the Legendary Marketers Club. So basically just become a member of the Marketers Club before applying. The Marketers Club is like Netflix of training about traffic generation and strategies that super affiliates have used to generate 5 to 8 figures online. Once done, just submit. Your application will proceed and you will be informed via email if your application was successful or not. Now, is there a chance that you will be declined? Well, I can't answer this as it will depend on you and the relationship you have built with your business advisor that you will get during your 15-day challenge. This advisor is basically there to help you during your challenge, alright? But I know a secret hack that you can use to get accepted instantly. Well, during your 15-day Business Builder Challenge, So during your 15-day challenge, you will actually be given an opportunity to partner up with Legendary Marketer. You will be given high-level training as an affiliate and online entrepreneur. These training are called business blueprints, Normally there are actually, let me show it to you. There are actually 3 types. Let me scroll down. Here it is. There are actually 3 types of business blueprints available. However, the third one, which is this one, actually gets sold out really quickly. And this is for people who have the funds and they need one-on-one personal help. But the basic business blueprint is actually $2,500. So if you get any one of these business blueprints here, you will instantly be accepted as an affiliate, and you will get 6 months to 1 year being a pro affiliate, the version of being a pro affiliate for Legendary Marketer, meaning you will be enjoying high ticket commissions without paying for the monthly subscription fee for at least half a year. So my last advice for you will be that if you believe your affiliate marketing skills are lacking or you need a deeper help on your online business, then get one of the business blueprints right here depending on what you need. Once you do that, you will instantly be accepted as an affiliate for Legendary Marketer and get the training on building an online business as an affiliate. Lastly, Legendary Marketer has truly helped change my life over. I was actually a mechanical engineer who resigned with nothing in mind on what to do. I was frustrated and depressed. I knew people were making a living online and I wanted to do the same. But I had no online experience and was a complete noob. But the business blueprint of Legendary Marketer massively helped me build an online business for myself, where I now get to travel, have time for my family, time for myself. I'm able to take care of my body and work out at the gym. Basically, it's been a complete life changer. I believe in this product and their education. So I hope this video has now helped you understand on how to become an affiliate for Legendary Marketer. And if you have got value, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.